Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A6 versus the BMW E39. We'll dive into their design philosophies, performance characteristics, and interior comforts to help you decide which classic German sedan might be right for you. We'll cover engine options, driving feel, and overall build quality, giving you a comprehensive overview of these two iconic vehicles. Get ready for a detailed look at what makes each car special. The Audi A6, particularly with its available quattro all-wheel drive, provides excellent traction and a confident feel, especially in adverse conditions. In contrast, the BMW E39 is celebrated for its engaging rear-wheel drive dynamics, offering precise steering and a balanced chassis that enthusiasts often praise. Both models offered a wide array of engines, from efficient 4-cylinders to potent V8, catering to various performance desires. Stepping inside, the Audi A6 presents a clean and functional interior, often with a modern aesthetic for its time. The BMW E39, on the other hand, is renowned for its driver-focused cockpit and high-quality materials, including options for Nappa leather and various wood trims. Both vehicles provided a comfortable and luxurious experience, incorporating advanced features like automatic climate control and heated seats, which were quite sophisticated for their production years. When considering long-term ownership, both the Audi A6 and BMW E39 have their quirks. Maintenance costs can vary, but parts are generally available, though some specific components might be harder to find. It's wise to research common issues for specific engine types, such as cooling system problems in the E39 or electrical issues in the A6. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Ultimately, your choice depends on personal preference for driving feel and design.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.